theme, Make Something Good, inspired me to arrange and direct a fashion photo shoot while visiting the Havana Jazz Festival this past December. This project is part of the Sound of Fashion, a multimedia enterprise I have created inspired by the synergy between music and fashion, being captured via art events, videos, photography, film, and fashion exhibitions. It is a look and a sound that I call art couture, fashions that bridge the gap between clothing and art, where San Francisco meets Europe, and now, thanks to Desigual, it includes Cuba. My wonderful rep, Sandy Ramirez, was kind enough to send me 3 samples from the 2012 spring collection, which I was able to turn into a dynamic fashion experience. I had the good fortune to work with twin brother photographers local to Havana. While attending the Jazz Festival, I handpicked 2 models from the crowd to bring the fashions to life. Both the festival and the city itself provided a textured setting for exploring the Sound of Fashion project, and I found art and inspiration every step of the way. I directed the shoot in the streets of Havana to match the city's character with Desigual's colorful and playful designs. As fashion connects people around the world, I saw the vivid cultural relationships between Barcelona and Havana through Desigual's collection. During the weekend, I discovered an outstanding artist named Eduardo Guerra, whom I invited for a premiere California exhibit this April at my boutique, The Wardrobe. I already knew that Desigual is the perfect design house to be part of the Sound of Fashion, and this photo shoot reinforced such a belief. I feel that Desigual embodies the concept of art couture, and I have come to deeply appreciate the spirit of color and fun in their designs. They are a company that aligns with intention in everything they do, helping elevate a person in the way they feel and look and how they express themselves. I am wishing everyone a great 2012 and beyond, where we can all make something good.
Melodía.